morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelia Subinda with additional mathematics videos right here. So this is additional mathematics vectors. That's the topic. Whereas you on the scalar multiple of a vector, we are on question B. It is saying the position vectors of A and B are -2, 3, and 1, -2 respectively. Then they want us to find AB, and then the equation of AB. Position vectors simply mean that that vector is a point. Alright? It is a point on the x or y plane. On the x or y plane, it is a point. It is starting from the origin. So they want us to to find AB. So they have not told us if they want us to write in the column vector or they want us to write in the linear form. So I'm going to write in the column vector because A and B are already in the column vector form. So it means that vector OA, right, that's how we represent position vectors, is equal to -2, 3. And then vector OB is equal to, the next one is 1, -2. 1, -2. Vector AB will be equal to A, we go to O, then from O we go to B. That's how we always do things. So AO is opposite direction. What is negative becomes positive, alright? What is negative becomes positive. What is positive becomes negative. That's all we do when we are going in the opposite direction. Okay, so it means it will be 2, -3. Then if you just see they're the same, you just write it as it is. 1, -2. This means that our AB will be therefore equal to, we add them in their rows. So we add them according to their rows. 2 plus 1, 3. -3 plus -2, -5. So this is -5. And A, B is equal to 3, -5. That is our AB. Then the next one will be to find the equation of AB. So to find the equation of AB, they're simply just trying to tell you that use your normal coordinate geometry, your normal algebra, the one that you have already learned. So it means that A is the same as -2, 3, B is 1, -2. Then you can choose which one of the coordinates you want to be your second step. I mean your x2, your y2, and your x1, y1. So this will be my x1, y1, x2, y2, and then we'll write it like this. Y minus y1 is equal to m. X minus x1. Why have I done this? So as we are looking for our m, we'll also be solving the equation. This means we'll do this. Y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m. How do we find our m? Alright, let me just write it. Sorry, let me just write it like this. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So you can write this particular equation in that form. It makes life a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster when you are solving an exam. Y minus y1 is simply the 3 there, and then y2 is the -2 minus y1 is a 3, positive 3. X1 is +1 minus x2 is +1, x1 is a -2, so be careful. you put the negative in the brackets. And then we'll say x minus x1 is the negative 2, you put it in the brackets, like that. When we reach there, so those brackets, I don't know what you can call them, you can call them parentheses, you put them in the parentheses. So you just continue now. This will be y minus 3 is equal to negative 5 over, okay, let me just simplify it anyways. Negative 5 over 1 plus, this becomes plus. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then here, this becomes plus. X plus 2 is like that. Alright, so we are almost done. It means we are saying y is equal to negative 5 over 3x plus, anyways, well, it's okay like this. Yeah, x plus 2 plus 3. Then we need to simplify. Y is equal to negative 5 over 3 x, we simplify there, minus, so this is negative 10 over 3 minus 10 over 3 plus 3. Then this means that y, we have the common denominator 3. Let's multiply throughout by 3. So this means 3y is equal to negative 5x minus 10. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, then we just simplify. 3y is equal to minus 5x, like that, minus a 1. Negative 10 plus 9 is minus a 1. Then let's write it in this form. 3y plus 5x is equal to negative 1. You conclude like that. And our A and so therefore we have found the equation of AB and we have found what AB is. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cornelius living at another video, and bye bye.